MX, and in today's video, I am going to be replacing my dirt bike tire because, as you guys saw in yesterday's video, I broke my dirt bike and I got a new tire for it because you had to get a whole new tire because I bent the rim. So yeah, I'll show you guys again if you guys didn't see that video where I said that I broke it. So I'll show you what it looks like right now. That's what it looks like. So this is straight. See how much crooked that is? But yeah, so you guys saw that. But yeah, today me and my dad are going to be fixing that. We're going to be replacing it with a new tire that I got today. And yeah, and let's get started. Bye-bye tire. Here's the new wheel. Except the brakes aren't that good for some reason. This is supposed to be the front brake. Like, watch. Let's watch this, guys. Watch. I'm pulling it back all the way and it's still going. Well, all that I'm happy about is that it's fixed. That's it for today's video, guys. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, me and my dad did two things. So, of course, we did the new tire. It honestly feels like it goes a little bit faster too, because there was like a little bit of like stuff in it, like grass and stuff. And it used to smell a lot, like badly. Even though this is only an electric dirt bike, it smelled like burnt. So it was somewhat of like with grass and like the motor and stuff. But yeah, he fixed the tires and he also tightened my brakes because this one wasn't going right. And then he tightened this one all the way and this one was still loose. So I told him to tighten both of them. So he did. He tightened them. And I helped him with the tire, but this is one of my friends, Alex. You guys know him. He's been in my videos before. I'm gonna try to surprise him. I'm not supposed to be hanging out with my friends because Corona, but you know what? That's fine. I'm just gonna pretend like I don't know that he's there, and like he's gonna scream, "Monkey, monkey!" all that stuff, and it's gonna be so funny. Okay, I'm just gonna like ignore everything. Just keep going, and he sees me now. He sees me. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. He doesn't. I don't hear him yet, but okay, guys. Okay, actually, that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys liked it. That's it for today's video, guys. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.